Wait, stop applying to random universities. Seriously. If you are sitting there waiting months for an offer letter, you are actually losing scholarship money. Think about it. While you wait, the housing market in the UK is moving fast. By the time you get that offer in July, the affordable rooms are gone. And stick around because at the end, I'm going to show you how to save 100 to 200 pounds and apply to these universities for literally zero cost. You need a safety net fast. I'm talking about universities that reply in days or weeks, not months. Here are the 5 UK universities that actually value your time and give your admission result fast. I'm going to tell you exactly how much the deposit is and crucially, which courses they are actually famous for, so you aren't just applying unknowingly. First up, Coventry University. This is the speed king. They officially aim to give you an initial decision within 1 week. That is faster than getting a passport renewed. What should you apply for here? They are heavily recognized for engineering, supply chain, and MBA. If you are in these fields, this is a solid pick. And they don't hide the cost. A typical MBA there is around £20,350, which is roughly 22.5 lakhs Indian rupees. To secure your CAS letter here, you usually need to pay a deposit of 4,000 to 8,000 pounds, depending on your region, which is roughly 4.4 lakhs to 8.9 lakh Indian rupees. If your profile is clean, you could have an offer before you finish your Netflix series. Just make sure your personal statement is specific to them. Don't copy paste. They sport generic essays and that is the only thing that slows them down. Also, if you are confused about the process, we have a full playlist on our channel covering everything about UK visas and universities. Go binge watch that after this video. Next, University of Roehampton. These guys are notoriously fast because they use rolling admissions. This means they review your application the moment it arrives. They don't wait for the deadline to pass. But here is the warning. Rolling admission means first come, first served. If you apply last minute, the seats are gone. The competition for the final spots is crazy. Apply early. Best courses here? Look at digital marketing, project management, and global business. Tuition often sits around 16,000 to 17,000 pounds, which is approximately 17.5 lakhs to 18.5 lakhs Indian rupees for MSc Digital Marketing. It's a smart, affordable London option. Then we have the University of Leicester. They have a structured 28-day turnaround promise. It's not instant, but it is reliable. You aren't left ghosted for 3 months wondering if you got in. What are they known for? Definitely space science, museum studies, and media communications. They are the world leaders in these niches. Deposit is usually 3,000 pounds, which is approximately 3.3 lakh Indian rupees. Manageable and clear. Now, let's talk Russell Group. Usually they are slow, but the University of Sheffield is the exception. They aim for a decision in 4 weeks for taught courses. Top degrees here: engineering, especially advanced manufacturing, journalism, and information systems. Just remember, tuition here is higher, around 29,000 pounds for some masters, which is nearly 32 lakhs Indian rupees. High ROI but higher investment. However, the deposit to accept your offer is surprisingly low, typically just 2,000 pounds, which is approximately 2.2 lakhs Indian rupees. They make it easy to say yes to a top-tier university. Finally, Queen Mary University of London. You know the name. It's a top-tier Russell Group university, but with a difference. They have strict deadlines, but if you apply early, they process fast, usually in 4 to 6 weeks. What to study? They are popular for law, dentistry, and finance. Like Sheffield, their deposit is generally 2,000 pounds, which is approximately 2.2 lakh Indian rupees. But remember, the earlier you submit, the faster that offer lands. If you apply in October or November, you beat the rush. Get one safety offer now, pay the deposit, and then you can relax. Now, about saving that money. Most of these universities have application fees that add up. 50 pounds here, 75 pounds there, it gets expensive. Here's the saving tip. If you apply early through us at EduMox, in most cases, we can get that fee waived. That is 100 to 200 pounds savings. Plus, you aren't doing this alone. We have alumni living in the UK right now. They will help you write your SOP, fix your resume, and everything. Who better to help you than someone who has actually done it? So, if you have any questions, drop a comment below or click the link to book a free consultation call. Let's get that offer letter for £0.